Hey guys, this is the first time I'm pairing these JLab GO Air True wireless earbuds to my Galaxy Note 9, but this should work for any phone, but definitely any Android. So on Android, you just go ahead and put your finger up top, swipe down, and this gives you like options here. Wi-Fi, you see, you can like turn off your sounds. Here's Bluetooth. So what you want to do is you want to select Bluetooth so that it's highlighted, and you'll get this menu of things that have been synced before. So these are my old earbuds. They're toast. So what we need to do is first we need to take the earbuds out of their charging case. And as we do that, we'll see that one of the earbuds, there are these little lights on the inside, and one of them will start blinking. And it's this one. This one's blinking right here. Wait for it. See it? So now we hit scan on our phone, the scan button, and JLab GO Air pulls up. So now we hit, it says available devices, JLab GO Air. So go ahead and hit that, and it says pairing. We can see that this is still blinking. Trust me, it's blinking. Doesn't look like it's blinking, but it is. See it now? Yeah, you can see how it's blinking. And it says, okay, Bluetooth pairing request. Pair with JLab GO Air. You can hit cancel at this point if you don't want to do that, or you can hit OK. And I'm going to hit OK. And now it says connected for calls and audio, 100% of battery remaining. It even tells you how fully charged it is. How cool is that? And that's it. That's as simple as it gets. Less than 2 minutes, you got your earbuds paired to your phone. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. And yeah, that's it. Have a great day. See if you can help somebody. I hope this helped you. Take care.